Alright guys, I've got something special for you today. That's right guys, this is my new sponsor, ASSENEV. Check out their products. This is their unisex tee. Beautiful quality. You can copy yours. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab it. On today's episode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be setting up the welder and just do a weld piece, just a test piece to see how it goes. If you've been following along and you haven't smashed that like button or you haven't subscribed, please do. It helps the channel. We are growing. So guys, this is the UNIMIG 165 3-in-1. I believe it does gas and gasless. Today we'll be using gas. I've just turned everything on. I've put a bit of Teflon tape on it. Now, I'm not a welder by any standards, but I want you to comment down below if I'm doing anything wrong, if I can improve my game, and yeah, smash that like button. Get yourself some safety goggles, get your grinder. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I think I've done something wrong. Maybe I've got the speed up too high. I think I do have the speed up too high because what do you guys think? Listening to that, what do you think is going wrong? Because I don't know. Comment down below where I've gone wrong. Help a brother out.